Lord, I lift up my heart to you, and I lift up my soul to you, and I worship your majesty, so I declare you my King. For you alone are my God, and I bow down and worship you, oh Lord. Forever I'll praise your holy name.